Hello guys, it's HBFS. Real quick, I want to do a short video on Bitcoin. Considering the current price of Bitcoin, which is $21,124, is it the right time to buy Bitcoin? Or will Bitcoin continue to drop? Will it continue to crash? Well, stay tuned as we'll be analyzing Bitcoin with you guys in this video. And so we want to share our analysis with you with this video. And to do that, let's see what Bitcoin actually have for us. Let us see technically if it's right time to buy Bitcoin or not. So to do that, we have to go to the weekly time frame and see what Bitcoin is actually doing. Now we just have to zoom out. We have to zoom out to have a bigger picture of what Bitcoin do. So this is the weekly time frame of Bitcoin, and as we can see, price has actually broken through this low here, indicating that the bears are still very more strong in the market. And so looking at the weekly time frame, what we just have to do is to indicate the key zone in the weekly time frame. So this is a key zone. This is actually uh, 2017 high, the high of 2017, which the market is currently retesting. This is the high of 2017. So we could also just indicate this here. So this is what we're interested in. This is the key zone here in the weekly time frame. Now after mapping out the key zone in the weekly time frame, we then have to move to the daily time frame and see what's going on in the market with Bitcoin and the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, I will have to remove this. I have to remove this and leave this in. I will have to adjust this here to this zone. Now here on the daily time frame, we can see that market has actually broken this structure here. So here was a low here. So here was there was a low here. I don't know what's wrong with the network. So there is a low here. There is a low here, and there also exists a low here. Okay, so this is it. So we notice how market quickly moved down to break through this low, and of course this low, so indicating that Bitcoin is actually not ready to buy. And if we should zoom in to have a more clearer look of the chart here, we do see that here on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is actually consolidating within this zone here. So Bitcoin is moving within this zone here and this zone. So not until Bitcoin breaks through this level. So Bitcoin has to break through this level or this level, but the overall direction of Bitcoin still remains bearish. So like the question I asked earlier, is it the right time to buy Bitcoin? Well, if you're actually scalping, and if you are future traders, of course, there will be opportunities where you can actually long Bitcoin. But if you are the type that is holding Bitcoin for a long term, if you are the type that is holding for a long term purpose, then it is not the right time to buy Bitcoin based on my own analysis. Don't get me wrong, this is not a financial advice. This is just based on my view of the market. And why? Because market has broken through. We see market has broken through this structure. Market also broke through this structure. So I'm anticipating a move to this level here. So we could actually see a push to $38,000. So we can actually see a pull to $38,000. Don't be deceived. Do not be deceived when you see a push to $38,000, because here the market has created a supply level here. So there is a supply level that the market needs to come to. So here is a supply level. So we expect buyers to actually push price down to this level, and then we can actually go short. So Bitcoin is not ready to buy here based on this analysis. And mind you, we don't want to ignore this level here too. So I'm going to remove this. This is also, so market created this low here. This is another low. Remember, this is the daily time frame. So this here is another low. We not, and as you can see, market breaks through it. So this could also be a potential target. This could also be our point of interest here. So price could either come here and then shoot down, or price could actually come here. So this is the two zone I do be looking to short Bitcoin for a long term. Now, of course, I'm anticipating a move up, so there's going to be a little buy opportunity where buyers will have to take price to our expected zone before we short the market. So is Bitcoin ready to buy? Is it the right time to buy Bitcoin? It depends on the kind of trader you are. But for me, the overall direction of Bitcoin still remains downtrend, considering this analysis and the structure we're currently seeing here on Bitcoin USDT. So this is just a short video I want to share with you guys of my view of Bitcoin. A lot of people have been talking about Bitcoin, seeing it at 21,000. A lot of people saying Bitcoin, oh, it's ready to go, it's ready to go to the moon. Well, for me, I don't see it that way. I'm only seeing, what I'm seeing is the big boys, they just want to take price back to the supply zone, and then markets will crash again. Yeah, so this is just my view. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin. Do you think it's ready to buy? Do you think Bitcoin will continue to push the price from 21,000 all the way back to 60,000 plus? Do you think it's just a trap? Well, let me know in the comment section. You can actually drop your view. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you can smash that subscribe buttons. We'll be coming back with a new video very soon.